Today we will go through second standard English fairy textbook. This is of Macmillan's Education CBSE syllabus. In this we will go through food and health, third chapter, a burger story. A burger's story. Warm up. Tick the correct option for the food items you like to eat. Are they healthy? Reading. Read how a burger became healthy. Lucy is a juicy burger. She is very proud of her filling. She has cottage cheese, potato patty, tomato sauce and cheese slices as fillings. Lucy loves it when children find her delicious. Every morning she wakes up in the restaurant. She waits for her turn to be cooked and served to the customers. With the final bite, she goes off to sleep and wakes up the next morning. She then keeps waiting eagerly for her turn. Lucy thinks that she is making some children very happy. One day, Lucy and her friends are watching TV. Suddenly, they hear that burgers are making children fat. Everyone is calling burger junk food. Lucy is very surprised. We burgers don't wish to make children fat. She tells her friends. Let's find out how we can make ourselves healthier. Her friends agree. They find out that they can make themselves healthier. How? By adding lettuce leaves, tomatoes and onions in their fillings. Lucy asked the chef to reduce the amount of sauces and cream that he uses in making the burgers. The restaurant starts asking children to add more vegetables to their burgers. It also gives a small bowl of salad free with the children's meal. It serves fresh fruit juices instead of cold drinks. Children who come almost every day to eat burgers are not let in. They are asked to come back only on weekends. If a child chooses to add 2 vegetables in her burger, she gets a toffee as gift. Delicious, very tasty. Restaurant, a place where you can buy and eat food. Customers, people who buy things from a shop. Chef, the person who cooks in the restaurant. Lucy is very happy. She is making the children eat healthy. Nobody can call her junk food now. Reading comprehension. Tick the correct option to complete each sentence. This story is about a burger. Lucy loved it when children found her delicious. Every morning, Lucy woke up in a restaurant. The restaurant started giving children a bowl of free salad. Lucy was happy as she was making the children eat healthy. Answer this question. Who was Lucy? List the things she had in her filling. What happened when Lucy and her friends were watching TV? What did the restaurant do to the children who went to eat every day? Name the things that the children got for free. Think and answer. Think about the food you eat. Write 2 things you will change to make your food healthy. You can complete. Values and life skill. Along with eating healthy, we must exercise every day. Tell your partner about 2 outdoor games that you play at home. Now listen to your partner talk about 2 games she likes to play. Then comes grammar. Now read these sentences. The little burger becomes sad. Children find her delicious. In these sentences, the word becomes and find are action words that tell us about actions which happen every day. These words are said to be in the simple present tense. When talking about one person or thing, we use an yes with the action word. He lives in Jaipur. Geeta eats very little food. When talking about more than two people, we use the action word as it is. They live in Kolkata. We eat at the dining table. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of action words given in the brackets. He drinks tea at breakfast. They want ice cream. She plays football at school. We laugh at the joke. Ria drives a car. Read these sentences. She is enjoying the burger. They are becoming unhealthy. In these sentences, the words is enjoying and are becoming tell us about actions which are taking place right now at the time of speaking. These words are said to be in present continuous tense. These words are formed by adding is, am, or and ing to action words. Reading, playing, watching, talking. Choose the correct option to fill in the blanks. Mohana is riding a tricycle. He is walking to school. I am playing in the park. Today they are making dinner together. He is buying an ice cream. Listen to the steps for making a burger. Number the steps in the correct order. One has been done for you. You can complete. Next comes pronunciation. Many words in English have silent letters. That is, we do not say the sound of that letter while saying the word. But these letters are present when we write these words. There are a few words with a silent T. Bristle, watch, kitchen. Here are some more words with silent R. For, learn, garden. Read these words with silent R aloud. Board, dirty, butter, turn, here, finger, fork, mother, bird, car, near, here. Complete these words using J or G. Jam, germs, jeans, jar, ginger, giant, jelly, giraffe. Pronunciation. You have already learnt how to use a full stop and a question mark at the end of a sentence. These are called punctuation mark. Now, let us look at another punctuation mark used at the end of a sentence. When we show strong emotions or feelings, the sentence ends with the exclamation mark. I am so happy. Ouch, that hurts. Hey, stop. Oh, how sad. Hooray, we won. This is so beautiful. Put a full stop, question mark or an exclamation mark at the end of each sentence. You can complete. Circle the correct word for each picture with your elbow partner. You can complete. Next, writing. Imagine you are a Lucy. How did you feel when people called you junk food? How did you feel when the children became healthy again? Write your feelings in these word webs. Use the words given in the boxes. You can complete this activity. Then comes my word bank. Write the new words that you have learnt in this story. You can write. Yeah, this completes the chapter. The next chapter, you can follow my next video. Playlists are created and videos are uploaded in sequential order so that you won't miss any of the chapters. Thank you.